Hey guys, it's Steph from Steph's Adventures in Fab Finds, and we have an unboxing to do today, and I'm in my jammies and everything this morning, so I'm not getting in this video. My name is Stephanie. Welcome to my channel. I do an unboxing from time to time, and okay, I don't know what's going on. This video just does not want to happen. Anyway, there's a nice, beautiful blue turquoise here, and the tape is still on the brush code hardware. She has a snap closure, and let me see if I can work with that light. Yay! You see that beautiful blue interior? I mean, just gorgeous. And this is a beautiful, fresh piece. They did make this, and there's the eBay authentication. No, light's not going to work out very well. eBay authentication card there. About this wallet though, it has a brown Fendi line, and it does have Fendi printed here. And it is a brown striped interior. Let's see if that can help some. It has a brown stripe interior, a zip pocket here. It has gold hardware. It has the double F at the end of the Z. At the end of the zip. Let's remove that. It has an 8-card slot in leather on the back. The side panels are the same brown material. You have a set of serial numbers printed in here at the top. It is just a beautiful wallet. You have a Fendi tag over here on the side. So there's plenty of markings to let people know that this is a Fendi piece. And I mean, plenty of room and stuff. They did make this with a chain and this without a chain. And I wanted it without the chain to go in my big black Fendi tote. On the sides, you can see that beautiful blue. And it has an accordion type side. And this is the back. Just a beautiful, beautiful piece. And I've been waiting for this one to go through authentication. I got it off of eBay, and I will list all that information below. I will take some mod shots of it and put those up on Instagram, along with some others that I might find on the internet. But this, and I will also list the information for the seller to see if they have any more of these. Fendi's also printed in the gold hardware here. So, yeah, that is just, Just gorgeous. And it is a full-size wallet. You can see here compared to the butter knife. That it's just short of the butter knife. So, and it is a full-size butter knife. But, yeah, so she's just a gorgeous piece. And so where I recommend this seller on eBay. And wherever you are in the world, I hope that peace and love finds you. I hope that you have all that you ever dreamed of. And I hope you guys have a blessed day. And making this video on Black Friday. So happy shopping, guys.